Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, what kind of keyboard operations can be performed in Selenium automation tool? Let me answer. There are several keyboard operations that can be performed in Selenium operation tool. They are, first we can enter the text, okay? So whatever the keyboard keys we use for typing, right? Okay, with the help of this sendKeys command, okay, whatever the text you provide inside this sendKeys command, like this, for example, sendKeys of in double quotes, I have provided this text. Okay, with the help of keyboard keys, all this text will be typed into the specified web element. Okay, let me practically demonstrate this entering of the text. So I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample Selenium automation code, which is already written for opening the Chrome browser for maximizing the browser window. Here I need to open the application URL. Let's say I'll open this URL, omai.blogspot.com. In this application, in this text area field, I would like to type my name. Okay. So for that, I'll use sendKeys command. So how to use that? Driver dot find element by dot. Here inspect this text area field into which I want to type the text using the keyboard keys. Copy this and by dot ID, give the ID of the text area field, and you have to use a command known as sendKeys. Okay, it will send the keys, characters. Okay, keys, whatever the keys need to be typed, that will be typed. Okay, so a series of keys. Okay, here A key, R key, U key, N key, like that. Okay, so keyboard keys typing will be done with the help of sendKeys command. Now run this code and see whether that is happening or not. Very simple command, sendKeys, which will type the text into the required text area field with the help of keyboard keys. Let's see here what's happening. The text area field, my name got typed, okay, with the help of the keyboard keys. Okay, this is the first thing. Then pressing keyboard key. Okay, if you want to press a particular key like enter key, okay, then we have to use the same sendKeys command. So how to do that? For example, I'll do one thing. I'll just go to another application, tutorialsninja.com/demo application. I'll directly go to the login page. I'll copy this URL and of the login page and directly provide it here. So I would like to do one thing, that is here. I would like to click on the login button without entering credentials. If you click on the login button, what's happening? This warning will come. Okay. Now, how to click on the login button? Inspect this login button. So I'll create an XPath expression to locate this login button. So with the value login, /input @value is equal to login. The login button got located. Copy this XPath expression for login button. Driver dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath expression of the login button and say dot send keys. Here I'll say keys dot enter. Okay, keys dot enter, like this you have to type. So send keys will press this key, press and release the key. Okay, it will immediately press and release the key. It will immediately press and release the key. So enter key will be pressed and released. Okay, with the help of send keys. Let's see whether the login button is getting clicked and released or not. With the help of this send keys, apart from typing the keys, okay, we can also press the. Can also do this. You see, warning: no match for email address and password. If you want to get it done slow, we can do this. So thread.sleep I'll add. Thread.sleep, let's say some 3 seconds, 3000 milliseconds. That is 3 seconds. Now run this code. You can see it properly now this time. After 3 seconds, you'll get the warning because it is pressing the enter key on the login button and login button is getting clicked. After 3 seconds, login button will be clicked and this warning message came. So this is how we can press and release the key with the help of sendKeys. Okay, this is another kind of keyboard operation you can perform in Selenium automation tool. Pressing key combination of keys. Okay, like Control A, Control C, Control V, like that. Okay, so you can also do that. So I'll go to this application. Anything I can do, let's say this one, I would like to Control A here in this field. I would like to Control A, Control C, and in this field, Control V. Okay, this text in the text area field, I would like to copy into this this text area field. So how to do that and all, we'll try it out. Okay, so here I'll come and paste it here. Done. Then after going to this application, what I have to do? Inspect this. It doesn't have any ID or something. It has a title though. How to locate this then? How to locate this text area field? With the help of this heading, we have to locate text area field to Control F /H2 text is equal to, okay, this label got located. Under the label, we have this text area. So slash following colon text area. Let's see what will happen. It's locating only one element, that is this text area field. Okay, this is getting located. Copy this. And now I'll write down the code here. Driver dot find element by dot xpath. Give the xpath expression of the text area field to the semicolon here, because it's kind of lengthy. I'll create a web element out of it. So text area field 2, okay, is equal to for the most 3h. Done. Then what I will do? Text area field 2 dot send keys. In the send keys, I will say keys dot. Okay. So I have to say control A. Keys dot control plus A. Like this we can give. Okay. Like this. Control A. Okay. Control A dot yeah. After that, text area field by ELD field. By ELD. ELD. To dot send keys dot control plus control A control X. I'll say X otherwise. Let's see what will happen. It should cut. For example, in this, if I say control A, control X, you see it will cut, and control B I have to do here. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, then let's try this. Then into the text area field 1. So let me locate the text area field 1, inspect this text area field 1 as a TA1 as ID, copy this ID, and write down driver dot find element by dot ID of the text area field 1. Here I'll say dot send keys dot control plus V, control V. Okay, like this we'll do. Control A, control X, control V. So from this text area field, you are copying and cutting the text. Control A, control X means copy and cut will happen automatically, and control V will paste. Let's see that is happening or not. We'll have a delay time here. Okay, so just for demonstration purpose, let's have this thread dot sleep of I'll just give 2 seconds everywhere. See what's happening step by step. Okay, let's run this code. Right click run as Java application. Just for demo purpose, I added the wait timings in the code. Control A, control X, text area field, control V happened. You see it worked properly, right? Control A, control X, and control V happened. So this is how we can, okay? We can press key combinations, okay? So this is how using sendKeys command itself, we can perform the keyboard operation like key combination. And apart from this, in actions class, we have key up and key down classes, okay? Along with sendKeys also is there in this key up and key down in actions class, okay? So coming to sendKeys command, for example, sendKeys of keys.enter, it will immediately press and release a key. This sendKeys will immediately press and release a key, whereas key down and key up, if you say key down, it will press the key and doesn't release. Okay, until we say key up, it will not be released. This key will not be released until you say key up. Key down means press and hold. There itself, it will be down. Okay, it will not be released. Key will not be, whatever the keyboard key that is pressed on the keyboard will not be released. When you say key up, it will be released. Okay, so that flexibility. But send keys is like immediately pressing and releasing the enter key here. Here, control key is pressed down, but it's not released. Okay, when you say key up, it will be released. It will be released. Okay, so that's the only thing. So if you have to use key up and key down, you have to use actions. Okay. So I'll do one thing here. I would like to go to this application and I would like to move my mouse onto this compendium dev and say control key, click left click using mouse, and it will open in the new tab. Okay, just observe what's happening. Otherwise, this link is also this link, not this link. This link's only. Okay, so what I will do here is, okay, just observe what's happening. Once my mouse is here, I'm pressing and holding the control key. I'm not releasing the control key and I'm doing left click. If I don't press and hold the control key and directly click on this link, it will open in the same tab. You see, this compendium dev link will open in the same tab if I directly press left click of the mouse. But if I press control key and when I click, you see, this will open in the new page, new tab. Okay, like this. You see, all these website pages will be opened in the new tabs like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay. All these pages will be opened in the new tabs. Let's do that. Okay. Let's open all these links in new tabs. Okay. How to do that? Let me show you. So I'll just clear all this stuff and same application. So no need to worry. First, I'll create an object for actions class. Actions is equal to new actions. And I'll just pass a driver here. Over the mouse on these actions. Import. Now say actions dot move to element. Which element? This element, let's say compendium development. Inspect this. It is a link text. Copy this. Okay, copy this and write down driver dot find element by dot link text. Provide the link text of the element. This is let's say link one. Okay, link one is equal to. I'm just making it simple. I can write it better way, but just for demonstration, I am writing this level of code. Don't worry about that. I'll just create copy this. Driver dot find element by dot link text. Use the link text of this link with a semicolon and say link to here, link to all the web elements, whatever that is required here. I'm just creating it ago. I'll not go for all the links. Otherwise, just 3 links is fine, right? 1 to 3 links will be fine. Let's not waste time. So driver dot find element by dot link text. Use the link text of the third link and simply say simply say link 3 is equal to over the mouse and say create a local variable. Now link 1, move to element link 1. Okay. After that, I'll simply say dot key down, key down. Okay. Key down. Then say keys dot control key. Okay. Control dot. I'll say click. Click. I am saying click. Mouse left click. This will open the link in this particular link in new tab. Okay. Dot. Then I have to release it. I have to release the key now. After clicking, after mouse left click, then I have to release. Okay. Key up. Then key, which key I need to be released? Control key need to be released. Okay. Done. So this is one thing. So similarly, but actions commands to work. For all these action commands to work, at the end you have to add dot build dot perform. Otherwise, they are not going to work. Okay, remember that. Now the other one is copy this line, mostly same for almost every line. Here link to link after link one, link two, then link 3. Now run this code and see whether all these links are opening in new tab or not. If they are opening means key down, key up are properly working. Okay. You see all the 3 links, this compendium only, testing block, test wisely got opened in the new tabs. Okay. It is working fine. Whatever I demonstrated is working fine. Okay. So here in the actions also we have the same sendKeys. I'm not going to demonstrate that, but in actions also we have the sendKeys. If you want me to demonstrate, I can do one thing. So for example, here if you come to the tutorialsninja.com/demo, I'll show you one way how to use sendKeys here. Login. I'll directly go to the login page, copy this. One example I'll give otherwise. Okay. Then after going to this page, I have to enter the text, right? I enter the text into this. So let's say I would like to use only the keyboard keys to do all this stuff. Okay. So first I will just type the email address. Then from there onwards, I will use the keyboard keys. Okay. First I will type the email address. Driver dot find element y dot ID. Mostly ID will be there for this email address field. Inspect this. Give an ID of this email address. Copy this and here give that and say dot send keys. Okay. And here I would like to give one email address. Let's say this one. Don't know whether font is there or not. We don't know, but let's use some random. Okay, no problem. After typing this, I would like to press the tab. When I press the tab key, you see it's coming here, right? It's coming here. So I'll do one thing. I'll just actions is equal to new actions driver pass the driver actions dot send keys. Here also you can use send keys. Not only driver dot send keys, but also actions dot send keys you can use. Keys dot which key? Tab key. Tab key. Keys dot tab. So it will be immediately released. After pressing the tab key, it will be immediately released. Unlike key down and key up. Okay. Here the send keys will be immediately released. Okay. I don't have to key up again. Once done, here I can do dot send keys. I can type the text also. Okay. This password, let's say 12345 is the password I would like to enter. Not only for pressing the keys, we can also use for typing the keys. Okay. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I would like to press tab. 2 times I have to press to get to the login button. I have to press 2 times tab. Okay. So send again dot send keys dot twice I have to press the tab key. Tab. Then send keys keys dot tab. Then finally dot here I would like to press the enter key. Okay. After going here, I would like to press the enter key like this. Okay. You will get the warning message. That's okay. Keys dot enter. Enter. Okay. And at the end, you have to add dot build dot perform. Don't forget to do that. Semicolon. So like this, we can use sendKeys command also with actions class to perform the keyboard key operations. Okay. There are variety of things that are possible in Selenium automation tool. Let's say it will go to the login page, enter the email address, password, and click on the login button. You see everything happened. With the help of keyboard keys, we have done this. So hope guys you got the idea of the different what are the different kind of keyboard operations that you can perform in Selenium automation tool. Okay. So all these are the different operations with the practical demonstration I covered in this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.